see how you can easily collect a particular customer's details using an AI chatbot powered by AI triggers. So here I'm in a demo account and we have connected all the channels over here. So whatever the chatbot automation we built here will simply work on all the connected channels, as you can see here. So let's build an AI chatbot for this photography business, which is called as Mansi Studios NYZ. So here, first of all, you need to gather all the information about this particular business. So what you can do is you can actually use our prompt generator tool over here. So choose prompt generator tool and simply enter the website address over here. It will simply grab all the links on that specific website address. For example, here they have about, portfolio, experience, inquire, those kind of things. So here, if I go to the inquire, this is the exact address. So it simply captured the exact address over here, and simply you can actually extract all the content from these pages right here. And what you can do is you can click on final prompt. It simply create a prompt for this specific business right here, Mansi Studios. So let's see how you can use this particular information to build an AI chatbot, and along with, for the lead generation purposes, we want to see what details we can actually collect from a particular customer. So here, if we click on inquire, it takes me to this particular contact page over here, and here if we scroll down, they actually collect a particular customer's name, email, phone number, the wedding date, wedding location, and also how did you hear about me, and also initial photo budget as well. So let's say we want to collect a particular customer's details. For example, let's do like full name, phone number, wedding date, wedding location, and also the photo budget as well. So let's collect all these particular details from a customer. So here, first of all, you need to actually create the fields for each of these data. So let me go to the flow section, choose custom fields, and let me create a new field, and let me say create a new field, wedding venue, and the text. Continue. Let me create one more field which says wedding date, and again let me choose date over here. All right, and let's see what fields we want to create. So I have chosen wedding venue, and also we also need to collect a particular customer's initial photo budget as well. So let me create one more field over here, and let me say wedding photo budget, or you can also add initial budget as well, and create a field. All right, so here we have created a field. So now we also need to create the AI triggers over here. So click on this one, and let me create a new AI trigger, and let me say interested in wedding photography service, allows the user to submit information for the wedding photography request, and what details you want to collect. So first of all, I want to collect their full name. I want to collect their full name and save in the full name field, and let's do the phone number as well. And let's say wedding venue, and let's say wedding date. Let's do wedding date over here, and let's say wedding initial budget, and let's do initial budget over here. And also we want to collect a particular customer's phone number as well. So let's do phone number and choose the phone field right here. All right, so here we have collected all these particular customers detail over here, and here once all these details are collected, you can actually trigger a flow, or you can simply submit an output message as well. Let's say thanks for your information, one of our agent will contact you soon. All right, so let's do this output confirmation message and continue. So we have just created the AI trigger over here. So now we can go to the flow section, and let me create a new flow, and let me say wedding AI chatbot lead generation, or let's say wedding photography. So let's create a flow, wedding photography AI chatbot lead generation. Continue. So here let's start with an action over here. Action, choose OpenAI. So let's do OpenAI model over here, and here you will need to actually add whatever the information. Also choose the specific model as well. So here we need to add the specific business prompt we just created using the prompt generator right here. So simply copy this information and paste it. All right, and here save the response to a custom field. So you can actually create a new field, or you can also choose the existing field as well. So let's do AI output over here. All right, and here this should be the starting step, and let me delete this one for now, and let me choose success over here, and the success message will be sending the AI output generated over there. We also need to add the AI trigger we just created as well. So go to OpenAI, and here if you scroll down, you have the option to add the AI triggers, and choose the wedding photography service. Interested in wedding photography service? Continue. Alright, publish this one, and now go back to the settings over here and choose the default flow as the flow we just created over here. Save it, and you also make sure you have connected your OpenAI ChatGPT, and also make sure default agent is switched off, because when the default agent is active, it takes priority over the default flow. So that's why we need to switch off this default agent if you're planning to use a default flow right here, and you have the instructions as well. Alright, so now this can simply work on all the connected channels right here. So let's do a quick test on the web chat. So go to the web chat option, and let me make a duplicate of this one over here, and let me say Mansi Studios, and the welcome flow, you can also choose this one, and here you have the option to choose a brand color as well. So here for example, this is their brand color right here. Let me choose a brand color, something goldish color. Alright, and save it. So here you have the option to rename this one as well, and let me say Mansi Studios. Alright, so here you can simply grab the code over here, get code over here, copy, okay, and click on customize and paste the code. So this is the chat widget gonna look like over here, and you have the option to customize this one as you like. So here let me choose the auto open settings, and so it should actually automatically open in 5 seconds and send a message. So if a particular customer is on your website, it simply automatically open and send them a message as well. So from there they can actually initiate a conversation over here. So let me say, why should I work with you for the wedding photography? So let me send this question and see how this actually respond to us over here. It says working with me means you'll get stunning photos that capture the spirit and essence of your wedding day, along with the personalized experience from planning to execution. I prioritize human connection, ensuring you are comfortable and having a great time while creating timeless memories. Simple as that. So let me say, I am interested, or I want to hire you for my wedding photography. How can we get started? So it simply says, that's great to hear. I just need a few details to get started. Your full name, wedding venue, wedding date, initial budget, and the phone number. Would you mind sharing that information with me? Sure. My name is John Kennedy, and my phone number is 917-600, and our wedding venue is on the New York Hall, and also the wedding date is March 25th, 2025. 2025. And also my initial budget is $10,000. So here I am actually providing all the details in a single message, and see how this actually works. It simply says, thank you John, I have received your information, and one of our agents will reach out to you soon to discuss your wedding photography details. Excited to be a part of your special day. Let me refresh the chat, and as you can see here, the customer details is already here. John Kennedy, the phone number, their budget, New York Hall, and the wedding date is here as well. So here we tested only in the website chat widget, but this simply works for the other social channels like Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, and other channels you see here. You don't need to make any sort of changes over here. Basically this same flow will simply work on all the channels, because as you see, we choose omni-channel, so that means it works simply on all these channels you see right here. So that's a quick video on how you can use the AI triggers for chatbot lead generation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.